Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, configuration, installation for some basic open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, we have a good news that the Vicibox version 12 is already released last January 17, 2025 at 2:31 in the morning. So for today, we will show you how to install it. So basic installation for our BCBox version 12.01. So we can able to download the ISO here, or you can able to download. Just go to the from this site or the download.bgdial.com, so you can able to get the ISO over here. So this is the update ISO as of the moment. Is right now the BC Dial running still the base OS is OpenSUSE version 15.6 with kernel 6.0 already, and now is running with the PHP 8.2 already, and Asterix 18, also PGs, and Python 3 now is now excluded. Okay, so all the new updates already on pack using the BCBox ISO fair build which is dial ISO. Okay, so for today we gonna download it. Okay, so still the same. We are using our uh, BPS hosting Contabo. You can able to get this you can able to register and get some discounts once you click my link on my video description. Okay, so we can put Vicibox 12.1. Okay, then change to Linux version 12.1, and then can upload this one. Okay, and then now we will need to wait until uploads. Okay, oops, why is not uploading? Okay, but request is broken. It's broke. Why it's broke? Let's try another one. Let's try this one. It's too large. It's already 2 gig. Okay, hide another again. If not, we need to recreate another. Okay, 12 phone. Maybe due to it's a little bit large. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading. So for the meantime, um, don't forget to share our video so that you can able to. Okay, okay, 5%. So we need to wait until reach the complete download at 100%. So for today, I'm gonna post this video and we will continue later once the ISO already uploaded in my image file on Contabo. Okay, thank you, and I'll be back. Okay. Hello guys, so I'm back again. So we're gonna continue our installation. So for today, as you can see, we can enable to successfully downloaded and installed um, downloaded the ISO file into our image for folder in our Contabo. This is a new Contabo customer access page. So now we are on our running BPS. Okay, and then we gonna install this one. So we gonna click this one. Okay, okay. Uh, the BCBox 12.1, then install. Okay, and as you can see, the reinstallation process is started. Chan 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 chan. Okay, And then here our BNC. Okay. So our server specs is CPU for virtual core, 6 gig RAM and 400 gig SSD. So for this kind of setup on your Bichidial, actually you can able to use for 5 agents, minimal dialing process or dialing minimal calling process or uh, for predictive dialing. So if at least you don't place at least 100 calls at a time, so you need to limit the dialing level. Okay, so maybe it's for 5 agents, 5:1, 5 dial number for one, so possible dial level 5 for that. Okay, so it's on installation process. So we need, for now we need to configure our BNC because we need this one. Maka. Okay, gonna set password. Okay, great. Then you need to get your BNC. So this is my BNC. Okay, so BNC, so this one, I'm gonna go here, BNC details. Actually it's already here on my BNC. Okay, just gonna double click this file, my file, and you will show this one. Then okay, so if you are on the BNC, you need to use the arrow up and down. Okay, so just like you need to install again the OS on the Vicibox. Okay, then you need to click install. Okay, we need to wait. Okay, so after that, confirmation, destroying all data on the disk. So you, if you are correct and your the installation disk is correct, so you can hit enter for yes to confirm. Okay, so as you can see, we are here the documentation for the VC box. So while we waiting for this installation process, okay, so I'm gonna show you the BC box. So we are here the docs.bcbox.com. So this one. So you can also get on the BC box forum. Okay. So from here the introductions we have here. Okay. Dimensioning, packet loss, jitter. So you know what it's the latency, jitters, etc., etc. You can aware about this one. Okay. Dimensioning means the size of the server that you need. Okay, minimum hardware 75 agent, so agent with SSL memory like need to be increased. Database, so you know you can see here the recommendation for the specification and recommendation for this one, the minimum hardware. So for the web and recommendation, okay, dedicated database, it means this one is set up for the cluster. So if you have 150 agents, you need one dedicated server with the specs of 8 core and at least 2.0 GHz CPUs, 32 gig of RAM, and 500 gig storage. For 300 agent, you need a dedicated database for at least 16 core with 3.0 plus CPU frequencies, 64 gig and RAM, etc. Okay. So for the web server, you can use this one for web server or this one quad core. So this one you can able to use 100 agents. If you have 300 agents, at least you can use two or you can use three web server for this same specs and make load balancing. Okay. And for the Asterix, yeah, for the Asterix 300 agents, at least you have 10 to 12 Asterix server. With this specs, you can able to use Asterix server. Okay. Yeah, so 15 agent, 75 trunk. Okay. So it means 15 agent trunk capacity, 75. This one is for small center. So it means it means single server. So Paritibiasium is 5 units. It means 5 calls, 1 agent. Okay. 150 just 75 trunks. So it means yeah, I'm just correct. For 300 agents, you need 12 telephony server, 2 web server split onto 2. So it means 150 each. Okay, one database, okay, dedicated for 300 agents. So you can able to use this sample and recommended specs for your server so that you will not face any issues or some voice distortion and other slow loading the web servers loading. So you can able to use this one. Vicibox Express for minimal server, 15 agents. It means 75 trans 75 calls taking place at a time. But mostly, you can reach for single server. Mostly, sometimes we can try to increase to 200. It depends on the specs also. If you have high specs, yeah, you can able to get 75 inches on one server at 750 trunks. But it depends on the server how they handle. Okay, so next we're gonna uh, continue. Okay, till it's not yet done. But almost. It's already for amount here. So we're gonna continue here. You can check the recommendation. It's introducing hardware and recommendation example of the servers. Okay. So at least you have a path how do what server requirements do you need so that you can able to start your small center, and then you can increase if you are 15 agents you can use this recommendation, 75 agents you can use this one, 150 agents, 300 agents, 500 agents, 1000 agents. So you can which dial can handle that. It depends only on the configuration and setup that you wanted. Okay. Because most of the call center in our world mostly using Vision Dial. They only change the front end, the back end is still the Vision Dial. A lot of people doing this but to sell their products. Okay, but you know the Vision Dial is the one of the stable and affordable call center system that using. So right now they upgrade and upgrade. So as you can see right now it's on running PHP 8 and still upgrading. A lot of changes inside the Wichita regarding the reports, some reports. Okay, so a lot of yeah. Okay, so we gonna check. Okay, as you can see we are the OS is already installed. So, okay, so from this you need to for the default login still the root and visit dial for the default password. Okay, so you need to press enter, and then enter the keyboard layout, continue, license agreement, yes, enter time zone. So don't forget, always you need to change the time zone that you want. Okay, so don't because if you miss this one or mismatch the time zone of the server and the web server, uh, you will you will get some error on the timing. Okay, and your root password. Okay, okay, so don't forget your root password when you enter on that part. Okay, so some people doing so, they forgot to save the root password. Okay, okay, go back here just because I need to copy the. Okay, so we need to copy our IP here because we need it later, and then we're gonna go back on our. Okay, so would like so after you log in, so this is the so it automatically suggest you or advise you to if you want to would you like to install updates now. Yes, of course, so that we will because as you can see BPS is already have the IP, so it's already set as a static IP by the hosting Contabo, so you don't need to do the YASLAN under the Contabo BPS. Okay, actually most of the BPS like that. Only some dedicated server that you need to manually input the IP address, especially if you are installed your own OS. So you need to activate the LAN and set the static IP, etc. Set the IP, subnet mask, gateway, and other stuff. Okay, so that you can also I mean the DNS, so that you can able to have the internet. So as you can see right now, after I change the password, the default password of BC Dial, he requires me or he suggests me to update. So as in the update is done, what we need to do now, you need to do a reboot. Okay. Okay. So after we reboot, we can now start you install the Vicibox Express. Vicibox Express is for the single server. Okay, and then um for clustering, actually, they use the VCBox install. Okay, as you can see, it's now VCBox version 12.01. Okay, so as you can see, you're logged. So you need to type root and the password that you created. Let's see. Oops. What is my password? This sometimes I also forget. Okay, we have successfully install the OS, but not the BG Dial right now. So the next steps will be the BC box. Okay, no BC box Express. Okay, BC box Express. Okay, and the IP address of the server. Okay, what my IP? My IP is 5.198.136. Okay, then enter only. And then, do you want to continue with the VisiBox Express install? Yes, of course, we need it. And then after you type Y and press enter, you need to wait a few minutes, and then all the file you needed, it will install that successfully. Okay, right now it's loading the phone. Okay, setting the audio store. Okay. Okay, they said system should be installed. Please type reboot. Okay. So we need to reboot again. All reboot or reboot after the setup. Okay. So once again, don't forget to share our video. Like and share the video, and so that you can able to. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's check or log in. Okay, if I do screen. Okay, and then gonna try it. Okay, so the default login should be username 46, password 1234. Okay, so it means gonna successfully install. Gonna change the default password. Always use secured password. Okay, submit. Okay, log out. I'm gonna try again. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully installed. So we need to adjust the user permission from here. So we need to set this admin interface passport permission to 1, so that you have an access all of the all of the part of the VC dial. Okay. Okay, only that, only that. Okay, check. Okay, so you can see successfully installed. The time are sync from the PHP time, database time, asterisk time. So are the same. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so we have successfully installed it. All right. Okay, so once again, this is our video for now for the Vicibox 12. So hope you are enjoying our video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video. Okay guys, so for today's is end of our video. So we will continue the rest of the tutorial for Vicibox 12. Okay, so thank you again and have a nice day. Bye bye.